Yeah.
Okay. Right, don't mean to
Just like...
Right, we're here at school.
Yes.
Different high school.
Yes.
In Devon, in England.
Yes.
Southwest, like that little quick guess. Anyway. We can experience the downpour of effort proportion from the sky going down to the floor. Yeah?
Yeah.
From the
Look
sky.
at it. Yeah.
Sky.
From the sky.
Down to the floor. It's Bradley. Just ignore Bradley. It's boring.
Yeah.
Okay? And we're all wet and my hair's messed up. And so's Lauren's. Have a look at Lauren's hair. Yeah, it's Lauren. Here comes Russell.
Russell, say hi to YouTube.
Hello to YouTube.
Russell,
Yeah.
come to
Ain't going on you've been framed.
Russell,
I
hello.
know my face is quite ugly, but we love Cullen. Well, I love Cullen. Well, she looks.
Yeah, so we've just experienced a downpour. Today's Friday,
Yes.
and it's the first.
Yes.
So, and I'm wet. First of all, it's wet. Anyway, we're doing instinct. It's about to go.
And what is first lesson?
First lesson for me, PE.
Yes, for everyone else is PE.
And then I
think.
have English. I think that for a minute. And then I have double science.
Yes.
Last lesson I
Yes.
have IT. Yes. And I'm in my tutor room for IT. So I get an hour and 25 minutes to it. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe to me, by the way. Don't subscribe there. Don't subscribe to
Don't subscribe. Subscribe to me.
Yeah, cool.
Subscribe to me. I have one. Subscribe.
Yeah,
Okay,
cool.
so subscribe to me, which is thestrikelook, and
No, don't subscribe.
yes,
I'm getting you down for prostitution. Okay. Yes. Okay, who to subscribe to again?
subscribe to me, thestrikelook. Now,
Don't subscribe.
I'll put a comment on the
Better monkey.
on the video. Say
Yeah.
my YouTube name, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.